Hey everyone, welcome to this video where I will show you how to change TikTok profile picture. So first step is to open your TikTok app and make sure you are logged in. Look at it at the bottom right of the page and you're gonna click on edit profile. Here you will find change photo option at the top. You're gonna click on it and there are three options: take photo, select from gallery, and view photo. So from here only two of them works. If you want to take a photo and upload it as your profile picture, click on the first option. The second option is for selecting from your gallery. Click on it. Now you'll be accessed with your gallery. Now what you're gonna do is select the image you want to upload and click on it. Now click on the next button located at the bottom and you'll be here. So you can adjust your image by zooming in and zooming out. After that, you can also post it as your story for the day. And next thing is to save it. After you have saved it, you will find it in your profile. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.